Hello everyone, and check out this BOCOM One Step Stool designed for ultimate home convenience and safety. This portable stool adjusts to 3 different heights to help kids and pets reach higher spots easily. It weighs under 5 pounds and folds down to a slim profile for simple storage and transport. The wide non-slip platform and rubber feet keep you stable while protecting your floors from any scratches. A sturdy iron frame supports up to 330 pounds for reliable use in any room. Use it in your kitchen, closet, or RV to make every task safer and much more manageable. This versatile step stool is the perfect lightweight solution for your daily household needs and outdoor adventures. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.